V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax is marketed as a solution to repair and remove minor scratches, swirls, and blemishes from your car's surface, restoring its shine with minimal effort. While the promise of an easy fix for car scratches sounds appealing, many are questioning whether this product is legit or just another scam. Some users report positive experiences, claiming it effectively reduced the appearance of light scratches and added a glossy finish to their vehicle. However, significant concerns remain. Many users have expressed disappointment, stating that the wax had little to no effect on deeper scratches or failed to deliver the promised results. The product's effectiveness largely depends on the severity of the damage, and it may not work as well on darker or heavily damaged surfaces. Additionally, the lack of transparency about its ingredients and exaggerated marketing claims raise doubts about its value. Some customers also mention poor customer service and difficulty obtaining refunds if dissatisfied. In a nutshell, while V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax may work for superficial imperfections, its inconsistent performance and limited capabilities make it hard to recommend confidently. For deeper scratches, professional repair services are likely a better option. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.